Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you ready to see the cutest thing ever? I don't know if you're ready. Look at this box of Squishmallows, tiny little Squishmallows. This is the Squishville All-Star series, and I had to show you the little box they came in because it reminds me of like macaroons, right? You get like a different color. Who wouldn't want to receive that as a gift? Whether it's a gift for you, a gift for a loved one, a little one in your life. This is so fun. So these little guys are the perfect little size to make somebody smile. The reason I got them is because I think that they would make a really great gift, like individually, to cheer someone up. There's so many different ones in here, so there's something for everyone. If you're giving them away as individual gifts, they're the perfect little size to throw in a little gift bag, or maybe you just want to surprise somebody, or maybe you're getting them all for yourself. I don't know, no judgment. They're just the perfect little size. Look how cute they are. And they are fabulously soft, as you would expect a Squishmallow to be. And they got that little squishiness. They've got a slight weight to them. So it feels like they have like maybe some beads that just gives them a little bit of weight so they're able to stand up. They are seriously so adorable, and they just made me smile so much when they arrived. So I think that they're gonna make you smile too. They are so, so fun, and who wouldn't want to receive these as a gift? That's just my point of view.